Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will compare two innovative solutions designed for small spaces: the DXJJ portable washing machine and the Elevon QD Mini PWMG Y1G. Both products promise convenience for your laundry needs, whether you're living in an apartment, dorm, RV, or traveling. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. The DXJJ portable washing machine is designed primarily for washing, offering 3 intelligent time modes for different laundry needs. In contrast, the Elevon QD Mini PWMG Y1G not only washes but also features a spin dryer, making it a versatile 2-in-1 solution for your laundry tasks. This added functionality can save you time and effort, especially when dealing with wet clothes. The DXJJ model boasts a foldable design and is eco-friendly, using less water and detergent. However, it lacks a drain basket, which may be a drawback for some users. On the other hand, the Elevon model features a rotary timer controller and a clear lid for easy monitoring, but it requires the user to stay nearby during operation. Both machines are compact, making them suitable for small living spaces. When it comes to price, the DXJJ portable washing machine is significantly more affordable at around $50, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Elevon QD Mini PWMG Y1G is priced at approximately $77, reflecting its additional features and functionality. Depending on your laundry needs and budget, either option could be the right choice for you. In conclusion, both the DXJJ portable washing machine and the Elevon QD Mini PWMG Y1G offer unique advantages for those in need of compact laundry solutions. The DXJJ is perfect for those seeking an affordable, eco-friendly option, while the Elevon provides added convenience with its spin dryer feature. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.